Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi from Oreo. Begin by crushing Oreos and mixing with softened cream cheese until moldable. Press the mixture flat on a sheet of parchment and tint the cream if you want colorful rice. Layer your fillings like fruit or candy, then roll tightly with a mat. Chill rolls briefly to firm up slices. Slice with a sharp knife and serve playful sushi pieces for parties or snacks. Start by preparing your ingredients and workspace with a warm, friendly pace. Crush Oreos into fine crumbs, then fold in cream cheese until you get a malleable, sticky texture that holds shape. If you want colorful pieces, add gel food coloring a little at a time and mix until uniform. Have your fillings ready and your mat lined with parchment. Working organized makes rolling smooth and fun for anyone trying this playful twist. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more fun tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, great for long kitchen sessions and standing while you prep. I use them when filming and they keep me cozy and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you roll, stay relaxed and gentle to keep fillings centered and neat. Use parchment to lift the edge and roll tightly, pressing gently to seal seams and create compact logs. Chill the rolls for 15 to 30 minutes so slices cut cleanly without crumbling. Slice with a sharp, slightly damp knife for smooth edges. Arrange pieces on a platter and garnish with drizzle, sprinkles, or thin fruit slices for a fun presentation everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.